water here is actually slowly increasing. The tide is actually increasing. There's a small island there.
Which I showed you guys, right? Mom went wahan pe, it is somewhere there.
It's already underwater, and even this place will be submerged
The
underwater.
entire place which you see here.
Will be submerged underwater by 12 o'clock itself. So to enjoy, there's actually absolutely nothing here, and there's no one here. So
We're still enjoying.
you can do whatever you want to. But
The best part, water is warm. It is like nice and warm.
talk to a local boat guy and ask him whether he will transport us here. I don't know what this place is called though.
So we again, it's very close from Sterling Resorts. In fact, we can see with our naked eye. I'll try to zoom. So you see that is basically the resort. This is this is with 10x zoom, but yeah, that is the resort. My son is crying for us, and the boat person charged us 1,000 rupees from there clear. That's a lot of money, but to get this kind of peaceful enjoyment, I think it's absolutely worth it. What do you think?
Oh yeah.
Aggie knows the entire route and he's running away.
एक बार चाबी ले लियो तो मिलेगा नहीं वापस।
झाड़ू दूंगा दे दो।
खत्म।
झाड़ू नहीं चाहिए आज?
दिखाओ झाड़ू। Very good morning, guys.
What's popping YouTube? Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs. I stole the limelight today.
I gave it to you. I was looking at you so that you'll say it out. So yes, today is day 4 of our trip. So day trip is coming to an end. We are heading back home today. People in the car, which was parked here, have already left about 2-3 minutes ago.
And today I only have the luggage and there is no
Pillion.
behind me.
So yes, we are pretty much going to start. Again, the first video, there was not much of me talking on the on the helmet, because the Insta, you guys know, it's a problem with the audio. So only when I'm stopping, I'm talking. If I'm on the move, there was no good audio. So now what we switched is we have a different kind of a setup in my helmet and Srujan's helmet. We've switched. I'll be on the GoPro today. Srujan will on his helmet. He'll be on the Insta360.
See, Insta is actually not a bad camera, but the mic setup, it is not accepting. So the only mic setup which is accepting is in the US. So we have to wait.
Yeah.
Till then you have to bear with us. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, so GoPro is there. Even that we'll try with the other setup. There's been an update which had come. So different mics, different things. So chalo, let's get going. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning now. We
already had a breakfast.
Yeah, breakfast and all is done. We thought of actually starting at 7, having breakfast somewhere. So that's kind of covered. Pretty much on the way now. I guess we'll reach Hyderabad by about 5-6 in the evening today. Hopefully, if everything goes well.
Little before that.
Yeah. Hopefully there's not traffic today. Too much of traffic on day 1 and coming here. Chalo guys, see you guys on the road on GoPro. This place has been a gem. And we just loved this place so much. You will not believe it. The kind of peaceful nature, or should I say in short words, this is the most peaceful holiday ever in my life. We didn't do anything great or anything exorbitant. It is just the simple things in life. The food here is good. The service is excellent. And when you are with the nature like this, I don't think there's anything better. So Sterling Resorts in Dindi, thank you very much for this. And I honestly recommend this place to anybody who wants to come and just unwind themselves. There's absolutely nothing here. That's the best part. So you don't need to, think about the world when you're here. You can just forget and get lost in time.
So all said and done, like I said, there is no pillion behind me. There are only panniers and luggage. वो भी बहुत कम हो गया. And we are exiting this property and heading back home. Whew. The weather today is amazing. But it's good only if you're on the move. you're standing still, it's actually super duper sultry. I'm already starting to sweat. Chalo, for the next 30 kilometers or so, it's going to be these tiny small village roads and then back onto 4-lane highways. Amazing holiday, amazing holiday. Loved every bit of it. Actually planning to come with a couple of my friends as well, end of the year or so, when the weather is slightly better. It's more chilly, where I can enjoy the local cuisine.
So this is exactly the entrance of the resort. It feels spooky looking at that building there. And yes, there's literally no approach road, and when you come to this place, you honestly feel like you've gone back in time. Like, okay, I'll show you a bit of the life which is happening in these villages here. Honestly, for a city boy like me, this is like 50, 60 years old. It feels just so peaceful looking at how simple the life was. Something which I have never felt or observed that keenly. The simple things in life, being born, brought up in the city, you get access to such modernity. We generally forget the simple things in life of being happy, and I guess this is how I've been raised. This is how anybody in the city is now. But here, it is crazy amazing. It is just simple at how people are and how warm and welcoming they are as well. So this stretch of tiny roads is for about 30 kilometers before we hit the highway, and it takes about 1 hour to cross this stretch. On the bikes as well. On the bikes maybe about 40-45 minutes. In the car 1 hour easy for these 30 kilometers. You see, there's a deck on top. This is quite common in Andhra Pradesh, like to have a restaurant or a small eatery on top of the toll plaza. Actually, very good utilization of space, although it's not needed in such places. But yes, cost cuttings for sure. It'll work out much cheaper that way. See, for people coming in this way, there's one. For people on the other side, there's another one here which is being constructed. I know these could be rooms as well, but quite a lot of toll plazas in Andhra Pradesh, or should I say, I've seen this only in Andhra Pradesh having such ideas. I don't know about other parts of the country. Wherever I have travelled, I didn't see it, but yes, here there's something special that way.
Okay, because of intense water, rain and water clogging, my camera stopped working. But me and Rohit, we exchanged our helmets. I just wanted to record this. It says 19999 kilometers on the Africa Twin, and within few hundred meters, it will become 20,000 kilometers. 20,000 kilometers on the Africa Twin within 2 years. Many more to go, many more to go. Aha. So let me give a quick update because the camera is not working on my helmet. We are 230 kilometers away from Hyderabad, and my parents, they just came out of Hyderabad. Vijayawada. Because there was a lot of traffic there, and with the bikes we could easily filter it out. So in another 30 minutes or so, time is 12:35. In another 30 minutes or so, we're going to stop somewhere for lunch, wait for them, have lunch together, and then we'll do our final home stretch. So while we stop for lunch, we need to check on the other camera as well, and make sure if it works with the mic setup I have on my helmet. This Insta365 was a big bust, to be honest. There's a mic in USA, we are waiting for that, but because of the lockdown and because of the COVID restrictions, no one is traveling from US to Hyderabad. So can't help it, need to wait for a bit more.
Well, it's 3:38 in the afternoon. We are at 7 and we've been having our lunch since 1:30. 1:30 me and Srijan came. We finished our lunch by about 2 o'clock. 2:15 mom and all came in the car. So we're just sitting with them wasting time. So we had lunch together. All of them started again in the car. Me and Srijan need to fill fuel. I have a range of 30 kilometers left. We wanted to fill fuel in the fuel pump which is exactly opposite to 7, but they don't have fuel. So आगे जाके we'll be filling fuel. And Srijan's range is about, उसका bike का range is 30 kilometers more than the Ducati. So he's got a little more fuel than me, but we'll get fuel pretty much in this stretch of the highway, so won't be a problem in that. Oh boy, this trip is absolutely coming to an end. We're about 80-85 kilometers from Hyderabad. That's about it. And this is what we can call as the home stretch. Fueling on the bikes are done. And honestly, the traffic has picked up substantially because the evening is coming in. And also, we're heading closer to Hyderabad. And dun. Wow, what a fabulous trip this was. Again, regarding the day today, we had a blast of a ride because there was no sun, so it was pleasant the entire day. First it rained quite heavily, which was quite manageable, and after that we were blessed with such weather. So yes, sorry, I got a phone call. Yes, so it's a very pleasant evening. Bike showing the air temperature to be around the mid-20s, 28 now. So when it was raining, it was showing 22, 23 degrees on mine and Srijan's bike respectively. So it was a very pleasant ride for us. We had very good pace as well because we reached Suryapet by 1:30. If we would have hit 2 more hours directly from then, we would have been home. But lunch break was for 2 hours today. That's not a problem considering how good the pace we had. Both the bikes performed exceptionally. We've been having very high speeds throughout, and cruising has been amazing because of such amazing roads. Vijayawada Hyderabad highway is excellent. Only problem, traffic here and there like you see around, but road quality is awesome. So chalo guys, we'll go home and then we'll talk to you guys on the main camera, and if possible something else is required, I will turn on the GoPro again. But yes, the Insta360 is causing a little bit of problems when it comes to the audio quality, definitely. Video wise it is excellent, it is better than the GoPro. Audio wise it's lacking in big fronts, so we are desperately waiting for the mic to come. Srijan's friend who was supposed to come is not coming, so it's at his house, so we'll have to wait. I don't know for how much more longer, but yes, we'll have to wait for that. In the meantime, we'll ride back home and then I'll talk to you guys at home. Thank you for all the love and support. We've reached 75,000 plus subscribers in our channel, so that's a lot. That's a huge family. Thank you very much guys for that.